Hello guys, this is Anya, tu entrenadora personal de español, y esto es Tu Español en Uso. Thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe this video if you want to keep learning in Spanish, to learn more idioms, and basically just to sound like a native. Today we are going to see a very interesting lesson. Well, asking for things in Spanish is just an art. If you do it wrong, you get nothing at all. Nada. But if you do it right, you get the goat. Yes, the goat, la cabra. Let's dive in. So this is the rule. If I'm with someone that is very close to me, like a friend or family, I can just say, ven, oye tú, ven, hey, ven. I got nothing. Be careful, because if you use this form, you can sound bossy or you can sound very rude. It's not a good way to ask for things. Use it with somebody that you don't know, for example, a neighbor, a stranger, or maybe somebody that is not close to you, like your boss. You are going to get nothing. Hey, tú, ven! Hey, ven! Ven! I got nothing. If you use this form, it's like a giving an order, and nobody likes to be told off what to do. So maybe use this form just with stubborn goats. Now, if you want to get a positive answer or get what you want, I'm going to use the polite way, and I'm going to use two magic words. The first one will be puedes, and the second one will be por favor. Puedes, por favor, and this will work with 99% of the humans, and with the goats, well, depends the size of the apple. But if you want to sound extra smooth, you could say podrías, por favor. Podrías, por favor. Which in English will be something like, could you, or do you mind? ¿Podrían por favor venir? ¿Podrían por favor venir? ¿Podrías venir por favor? ¿Podrías venir por favor? ¿Puedes venir por favor? This actually works. It's the best way to ask in Spanish when you want to get something. And now, I want to ask you if you could please, o podrías por favor, suscribirte a Tu Español en Uso. Comparte este video si crees que puede ser útil para todas las personas que están aprendiendo español. And remember, this is how we speak Spanish. Hasta pronto.